Mo in Japanese means also or too in English. It sounds simple, but this particle is very tricky. This video shows you how to correctly use this particle. Mr. Smith went to Kyoto. Then we say, Smith-san wa Kyoto ni ikimashita. Now, I also went to Kyoto. Then we say, 私も京都に行きました. Instead of wa, we use mo in this sentence to say also. Now, consider this sentence. I went to Tokyo. We say, 私は東京に行きました. How about I also went to Kyoto? In this case, we say, 私は京都にも行きました. Now, these two English sentences are identical, but the location of mo is different in each of these sentences. Why? It's because what part of the sentence where also is indicating is different. In the first pair, also is about I. In the second pair, also is about Kyoto. You can also see that mo is placed that follows a noun in the second sentence that is different from the first sentence. As you can see, these two sentences are almost identical except for Smith-san and watashi. Mo is placed after watashi instead of wa. Similarly, the second pair of sentences are also almost identical except for Tokyo and Kyoto. Mo is inserted after Kyoto ni. But why wa is replaced by mo, whereas mo is inserted after ni? Actually, there are rules about this. The particle wa, ga, o should be replaced by mo. For example, コーヒーを飲みました. I drank coffee. 水も飲みました. I also drank water. For the particle ni, de, and to, you will simply add mo instead of replacing. For example, 今日父に会います. I will meet my father today. 母にも会います. I also meet my mother. 友達とバットマンを見ました. I watched Batman with a friend. 弟とも見ました. I also watched with my little brother. I hope you understood where to place mo in a sentence. Thank you for watching.